Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to go over all the different magazines that the Glock 26 will take. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and show you that the gun is clear. There's no bullet in the chamber, no magazine. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start with the standard Glock 26 10 round magazine. Okay, obviously it'll take that one. Alright, if it's flush to the gun. Alright, the grip of the gun. It'll also take the Glock 19 magazine, which is a 15 round magazine. Okay, just sticks out of the frame about an inch or so. It'll take the Glock 17 magazine, which is a 17 round magazine, and as you can see, it sticks out a little further. And it'll also take the Glock 33 round magazine. Okay, so with the Glock 26 you have a lot of options of different size magazines you can use in it. Okay, it'll also take the Glock 43 magazine. It'll insert, it will not seat properly, okay, but with just a little pressure on the bottom you can fire this single stack magazine in the Glock 26 with no issue. Okay, if you haven't seen my video where I demonstrate that, please watch that video. Okay, but the Glock 26 has a lot of versatility when it comes to Glock magazine sizes. Okay, you can go from 10 rounds, well actually you can go from 6 rounds up to 33 rounds. Okay, so in my eyes this is my go-to gun. Okay, plus I like the size of it, and again, you never know if something's going on, if someone around you has another magazine, and if it's in 9mm and it's a Glock, it's going to work in this gun. Okay, you can't say that with any other Glock 9mm gun. Okay, but you can with the 26. It's a great little carry gun, and like I said, if you're ever in a pinch and all you have is a Glock 43 magazine, you can always use it in your Glock 26 as well. But I just wanted to put that out and just show you the versatility that the Glock 26 has with the magazines, different magazine capacities, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments down below. Bye.